This is a YSI Pro Plus rental unit from Van Walt. The meter is currently set up to display parameters in the units that it was calibrated in. Temperature in Celsius, dissolved oxygen as a percentage, specific conductivity in microsiemens per centimeter, and our OOP in millivolts. Now to change these units, we can press the probe button, scroll down to display, and let's choose our dissolved oxygen, for example. Enter. OK, and we have three options here. So currently it's displaying as a percentage. Let's check the milligrams per litre box, and I'm going to uncheck the percentage box, and now I can escape. And then we have dissolved oxygen in milligrams per litre. But as you can see, I'll just go back into that menu, go back into display, back into DO. In fact, we'll do it in conductivity, for example. So as I pointed out, at the moment we're reading specific conductivity in microsiemens per centimetre. Now let's leave that alone. We'll go back and we'll go into the conductivity menu, enter, and we can do that conductivity in microsiemens per centimetre. Check that box, and we've left the specific conductance box checked, so I can exit this screen now. And now we have both displayed here, specific conductivity and standard conductivity. How to log with a YSI Pro Plus. We're in the normal run mode at the moment, and highlighted at the top, log one sample. Now we can change that to continuous logging, but to begin with we will log with one sample. Press the enter button, and some options here. The top option, log now, we can press that if you like, but we can also log that within a site and within a folder. I've set up a site, Wanaka. I've set up a folder, in essence a well, so I've labelled that GGG. Now we can change that. I'll scroll down to the site, enter. So Wanaka is one of the sites, and we can add a new site as well. If I enter there, and you just have the option to name a site, exit. OK, and back again, and the folder is the same, enter, and there's an add new option there. OK, so that's where I'm going to do it. Log now, and that's logged here, and then we can press the file button and we can view data. The data we want to see is in the site folder Wanaka and in GGG. There are some options here. You can actually narrow your search parameter down by editing the begin and end time. Let's just show data, enter, and there's a timestamp here and your parameters. So at the moment it's displaying temperature, dissolved oxygen, and specific conductivity. It hasn't quite read there, so we can scroll right, and there it is. Scroll right again, and we have our parameters there. I'm going to exit this now. Exit again. What we can also do, let's go into the system button, scroll down to logging, enter, and we can scroll down and we can enter the continuous mode, and then we can select a logging interval. Currently it's at 15 seconds. That's fine. Let's exit this screen. And again, at the top of the run screen we have the start logging option. Press enter, and again the option to change the folder names and also the logging interval. Start now, and now you can see it's counting down until the next logging event. 3, 2, 1, and it will log and then count down again. And to stop logging, simply press the enter button. And again you will find your logging information in the View Data folder, Show Data, and here are your timestamps again and your values. And we can also connect this unit to the computer and transfer our data onto a spreadsheet.